Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to add text overlays to your videos. Let's get started. The first way is directly on your Facebook page. Simply go to creating a new post and upload the video that you want to use, like so. I'm going to choose this one and open it. And now I'm going to wait for it to download. All right, so now that it's downloaded, you're simply going to go over to the subtitles and captions over here on the right. You can set it so that all videos that you upload in the future will auto-generate captions. However, I don't like to use that because I always like to go in, click on the auto-generating, and then edit or make sure that the captions are in fact accurate. So let's wait for this to download. So now it's downloaded. Let's review and edit the captions. This is a very short video for this example, but as you can see, each sentence or portion of sentence is added here on the right-hand side. So when we click on it, you will hear what has been said in the video and if the text associated with what's being said is accurate. Here is a super simple way to be more personal in your online image. So as you can see, everything there seems pretty accurate. Here you'll see that I removed the capitalization on the word super. I added a capital W, etc., just to clean it up a little bit so that it is looking perfect for when it is published. You then just click on the Save Draft. And then you can go back to the video details, add your title, description, tags, location, tag anybody that you want, and then you would simply click on Next. And you can either publish it now, schedule it for later, backdate it, etc., and choose where it will be added. Also, you can choose the playlist that you want to add it to or add a new one at the bottom. You can also add it to multiple pages that you own or moderate. Okay. The second way to add text to your videos is through a system called wave.video. This is a free resource that you can use online. It also has pro and business versions as well at a cost. So for this example, I'm going to go into one of my previously uploaded videos, and I'm going to edit it to show you how simple it is to add text overlay to a video. And as you can see, we have a blank video that is extremely short, and I'll just play it.
Look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some text by clicking on the text button down here and then simply adding the text that I want. You can also change the font. You can change how it appears. You can take away the background. You can change the color. And you can change the size and the position. You can also determine how long this piece of text will show and add additional pieces of text later on in the video.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
The third way to add text overlays to your videos is through a product called Canva. So if you get an account with Canva, you can then upload your video into the application that's online, and they have an app as well. You can upload your own video by clicking on the Upload an Image or Video button. I have one here that I've already uploaded. You just click on it. You can drag it to the size that you want it to be to fill the 16:9 size that a video should be on YouTube, for example. For this situation, we want to add text. So you can add your own text and change up what it says, of course. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can change the color. And of course, you can also move it to the location that you want. You can also go into templates on the top left and choose a pre-made template that's available on the left-hand side here as well. For example, the last one that I used was this one, and by clicking it, it adds it to your preview. You would then delete the video that's accompanying the template, and then go back over to your uploads, and then add to your preview. You can also, of course, then change the text so that you can see it much better on top of the video. For example, like this. You can change this bottom text as well. You can change everything. And you can also change the video in the background so that it's not so bright and you can see the text better as well if you want to. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and as always, please feel free to subscribe to us here at Road to Closings, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks.